Hey guys, Coach 𝐿 here. Welcome back to another video. If you're watching this, you most likely want to learn how to turn more leads into sales. This is one of the most common questions that I get asked as a coach, as an affiliate marketer is, hey, I'm getting traffic, right, to my website, to my affiliate website, but not necessarily getting conversions, right? Turning those leads into sales. That's exactly what conversions is. What's the deal? So you're going to want to pay close attention because I'm going to talk about why this is a problem for a lot of affiliate marketers and how you can begin to solve that major problem. Okay, so I know that this is a big concern for most affiliate marketers who are struggling with getting traffic and getting leads. And a lot of times my response to people is you don't necessarily need more leads. You don't necessarily need more traffic. You could have thousands of leads coming in, and if they're not quality, they're not necessarily going to convert. Okay, this is one reason why I do video marketing, because those are quality leads, right? So anyways, so it's not necessarily about getting more leads, more traffic. It's about learning how to get quality traffic. Okay, so that's what it is. So what does that mean? It's really about the quality of the people, because leads are people, the quality of the people that you're targeting with your marketing, your promotion, your advertising. And that's what I'm going to talk about in this short video, okay? Because this is going to solve a lot of your leads and traffic issues. All right, so let's get in. Okay, so what I see a lot of beginners do specifically is that they promote and target everybody. Like they're like, you know what? Everybody wants what I have to offer. So I'm going to get out there. I'm going to promote. I'm going to market to everybody, sometimes spam to everybody because everybody wants what I have. Wrong. And nope, not true. Okay, so when you learn to get what you're promoting in front of people who want what it is that you have to offer, that's where you make more conversions and more sales, because it's not a convincing. They already most likely want what you have to offer. And when you get in front of those people, then it's easier. Okay, so that's what I want affiliate marketers to learn how to do. Okay, so a major issue is that, again, beginners are targeting everybody and then they're ending up with nothing. So if you've ever heard the saying in affiliate marketing, or even you probably heard it in network marketing, multi-level marketing, sales in general, the riches are in the niches. What that means is that people who have a niche, a specific group of people or type of person that they're talking to with certain problems, and their product or whatever they're promoting offers certain solutions to that person, those are the people that are going to buy your product. So remember that the riches are in the niches, right? I couldn't say that the right way. So you don't want to target everyone. You don't want to promote to everyone. You want to make sure your message isn't all over the place. And you want your message to you want your message to match who you're marketing to. Now, how do you do that? Here's how you do it. Okay, I'm going to walk you through an activity that my multiple six-figure mentor taught me this years ago. And she said, Shin, you're not talking to everybody. Like when you're doing your videos, when you're doing your posts, when you're talking to a specific person who you know that needs what it is you have to offer. When I learned that, it totally changed my marketing game. There's a lot of things that I learned that changed the marketing game, but that was one of them, right? People started to send me messages in my inbox like, oh my God, I feel like you're talking to me, because I am, right? They send me messages like, oh my gosh, I feel like I know you, because you do, right? Because I'm talking to people who are like me, right? So I'm going to walk you through this whole process of developing your own avatar, so you begin to speak to a person in your post, in your ads, in your videos. You're not speaking to everybody. You're speaking to a specific person with a specific problem. Let me give you an example. One of the things, I was working with a person who's was in the weight loss niche, okay, and she was just like, everybody should want my weight loss tea. And I said, no, everybody doesn't want your weight loss tea, because one, they don't even know what it does for them. She was like, well, how can I get this in front of people who already want it? I was like, one, be on YouTube, because target keyword research or keywords actually target people and bring people to you versus you having to chase people. So one, get on YouTube. The second thing that I said to her was, who specifically do you want to help with weight loss that could benefit from your product? She said, and I said, why did you start taking the product? This is the conversation that we're having as a coaching session. I said, why did you start taking the product? She said, well, I started taking the product because I like to walk to lose weight, and I want to help other people who they know they need to do something to lose weight. I know they need to walk to lose weight. But they need some tools to aid them on their weight loss journey, right? They don't think that's going to be some miracle aid that by itself is going to help you lose tons of weight. It's an aid to help you in your weight loss. I said, that's your target person. That's your person. You don't want that person coming to you who, you know, they see a post about weight loss and they think that they don't have to do anything. They just drink a pill and they're going to lose all this weight. You want a person who they are serious, they're committed to their weight loss journey. They understand it's a process. They understand. And I said, so when you post to that person. You talk about that process. In your videos, you talk about that process, right? And guess what? This is what they call attraction marketing. You're going to attract those type of people, not the tire kickers, not the people who don't want that, not the people who don't understand they have to invest in their journey of wellness. Right? So she started to change her wording in her market. She started to change her wording in her videos, right? And all of a sudden she started attracting the people to her that they're like, wow, I get it, that I have to do something. I have to move to lose weight, right? So her videos were around, guess what? Her videos weren't even around tea. Her videos were around walking to lose weight. Okay? So I said, make your videos around the type of people you want to attract. She started making videos on walking to lose weight. And then she started telling her community that she was building, right? Okay, I'm walking to lose weight. Here's my tips. Here's my strategies. Here's the tools I use, including her teas that she sells, right? Here's the tools I use. If you want those for yourself, here's where to get them, right? Just recommending things. But that audience that she is building, that avatar that she wrote down that she wanted to attract, she speaks to those people. That's what you have to learn how to do as an affiliate marketer. So let's get into it. I said that was a long story, but that was a perfect example in my mind of explaining. So target market. Okay. So the best way to think about your avatar or your target market, and so that you can get clear on your messaging. So when you make your post, you're not making like some rant, like let's say you promote a make money online opportunity, right? You're not going to make a post just about a make money online opportunity. You're going to make that post about a specific person that has certain problems. That's going to resonate with people. So I'll give you an example of that in a second, but let's just go through target market. So what I want you to do is get a piece of paper and think about yourself, because the easiest way to attract people like you is to think about yourself, right? So targeting yourself is the easiest way to do it. So you're going to be speaking to people who are like you. All of your posts, all your ads, or your promotions, all your follow-up emails are directly targeting the image of that one person that's like you, that had the same struggles that you had, that are looking for the same solutions that you had or are looking for, right? That's the person you're going to talk to. That messaging is going to resonate through your posts, your ads, your YouTube videos, your Facebook lives, and things like that, because you're speaking to one person with specific problems, specific dreams, specific solutions, and that person is you. So who are you? What did you struggle with? How has your product been a solution, right? What are your dreams to have related to your solving that problem? And that's what you're going to talk about in your emails, your posts, your ads, your videos, and things like that. Okay. What naturally starts to happen is you start to attract those type of people because they resonate with what you're talking about. They're like, I get it. Yes, that's me. I see myself in what you're talking about. I want that, right? That's attraction marketing at its core. So you begin to attract way more, the few leads that you do have, then they start to convert because they resonate to your messaging. That's all good ad marketing is resonating to your message. So there's been times when, I remember like a year ago, I had talked to this one guy and he showed me his traffic budget. He was spending thousands of dollars on ads. I don't do paid ads. And I was like, okay. He was doing all this money on paid ads, and I'm like, currently I don't do paid ads. And I was getting, my conversion rate was like ridiculous compared to his. And he was like, how is that possible that you only have a handful of leads and they're converting? I was like, one, because I'm doing YouTube video marketing. I'm going to keep saying it, whether you like it or not. YouTube video marketing. I said, two, I said, your messaging, you're talking to people who are like you. You're trying to create this, make money online thing, and you're speaking to everybody who you think who wants to make money. Why did you want to make money? What's your story, right? So anyways, that helps with converting way more leads with just a handful of sales because you're specific about who you're talking to. So let's give an example of what this looks like. So what I wrote out is my story. Let me share my story real quick, and you'll begin to see, for those of you who are on my email list or for those of you who watch my videos, you'll see me talk about these same experiences in my emails. You see me do it in my posts. When I post, you see me put it in my videos, things like that. So this is me. My name is Shin, right? I joined my opportunity because my vision was to replace my job income as my primary source of income. It had nothing to do, like I know a lot of people are like, oh, my dream is to quit my job. That wasn't my dream, to quit my job. My dream was to replace my income so that no matter what, if I didn't like the environment, I could pack up, tell the job, sayonara, right? Because I like working. I like being around other people. I like what I do. I love students, right? So that was, the students weren't the issue, it was the job environment. Okay, so my goal was to replace my job income as my primary source of income so that I always had security of environment and security of morale, right? That feeling of, I always create my environment. Nobody can tell me I have to stay in that environment for a paycheck, because I literally have told jobs before, like, listen, I don't need this job, and mean it with a straight face. And they know I don't. Like, literally turn around my PayPal and be like, this is what I made today. Like, I don't need this. Like, bye. You know what I mean? So anyways, that was my motivation, was to replace my job income. Okay. My second one was to release my money anxiety, that feeling of not wanting to open your bank account, or that feeling of it's not enough. Like, you have enough, but it's not enough, right? So those are the two things. So guess what? When I do posts, I'm going to be speaking to that person. I might do a post and say, you know, I know that someone out there, you know, they're tired of their job not appreciating them, right? Because we're talking about me, right? I know their job is not appreciating them. I know that someone out there, they're tired of having anxiety every time they open their bank account. Now, how can I talk about these things in my posts and my ads and my videos? Because it's me. Because, well, not me currently, but that was me, right? So I can speak to that person. I can speak to that person who understands, right, that they have a vision of what they want to build and they're willing to do the work to build it, right? That would be a C, because I don't want to attract people who think that they just going to get money for doing nothing, right? So those are the three things that I can talk about over and over and over again, because it's me. And I'm naturally going to resonate with people who get that, versus everybody who wants to make money online. No, I want people who, they want this. They want job security, or they want security of environment, right? They want to be able to move wherever they want to, when they want to, how they want to, because they have the flexibility to do it because of what they built in the online space. Those are the people I'm talking to. Okay, let's look at another example. So we have John. His avatar, he's 30, and he joined the opportunity because his vision was to travel, right? There's some people who, they're like, oh my God, I want freedom and I want to travel. I'm like, yeah, knock yourself out. When I was like my early 20s and 30s, that was me. Not no more. So John, his vision is he wants to travel, right? So in his post, he might talk about, you know, for those of you who want location freedom and you want to travel, right? You want to spend more time with your family and friends. He could even, as he is able, as the results of his efforts to do these things, he can appeal to people who want that just like him, showing his travel lifestyle, showing him spending more time with his friends and family. What's going to naturally happen? Because he understands his target market, he's naturally going to attract more men, more 30-year-old Johns just like him, that are interested in travel and spending more time with their friends and family. I hope you guys are catching what I'm throwing down. Get a piece of paper. I want you to write down who you are. What characteristic? Why did you join your opportunity? Why did you join your affiliate marketing program? Why did you choose to promote whatever it is product you're promoting? Write that down, right? What was your motivation for joining whatever it is? And then what do you want? Where's your vision of where you're going? Now, when you do your post, you're always going to speak to that person. When you do your ads, you're always going to speak to that person. When you do your videos, you're going to speak to that person. And don't just, Here, let me give you another tip. You want to vision cast in your target market, right? Who is what characteristics does the person have that you want to attract? So for me, again, a person who is internally driven, okay? Internally driven to create the lifestyle that they want. That means that they're not sponsor blaming. That means that they're not like waiting for somebody to hand deliver them some secret. That means that they're not complaining about how they work so much and they're so busy. They understand that they have to find the time to create the lifestyle they say they want, right? So those are the things, okay? So target market, once you get clear on this messaging part and you create your avatar, this little squiggly little person right here, it will be so easy for you to come up with posts, ads, videos, all types of things to promote your product, right? And also while you're doing that, write down how your product can or will help you, because you're going to speak to that person. For example, the girl who I was telling you I was coaching who had the weight loss product, I asked her, I said, what is the one thing that your product does for you? Don't just tell me it's a weight loss tea, but what is it that it does for you? She was like, it helps me avoid binge eating because it helps curb my appetite. And it's that one tool I can grab. I said, so you're talking about busy people on the go. So you're not just talking to weight loss people, you're talking to people who are busy, who are on the go. She was like, oh my God, like if I hadn't done this exercise. And guess what, when she started doing it, all of a sudden she's like, wait a minute, now everybody is like, yeah, I'm busy too. I need a tool to help me. I said, because you're very clear and concise with your messaging. Your messaging isn't general. It's not like, oh yeah, lose weight. Oh yeah, this weight loss tea. So what about the weight loss tea, right? You know, so I'm like, you know, you have to get clear on who you're talking to, and the best way to do that is to start with you. And once she did that, her sales took off, right? Of course, she's very consistent with her marketing, right? But adding in, making sure her marketing message was clear was the thing that just took that capped it off. All right. So I wanted to make sure I cover everything. So here's my challenge today. My challenge for you is to come up with who your target market is. Why did you join your opportunity? Go ahead and rewatch this video if you need to. Write out the thing. Okay, this is going to help you with having a clear marketing message. So those few leads that you do have coming through, you can better market message to those people. Okay, and that's the sauce. Okay, that's the conversion piece. Right? So if you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. Let me know your best takeaways in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe if you want to, watch more videos on affiliate marketing tips. If you have any questions, reach out to me on Facebook. Maybe I'll do a video on it. So reach out to me and let me know. And here's the other thing. If lastly, I always want to give an opportunity for people to partner with what I'm partnering with to learn what I already know how to do, right? Which is if you want to get started and you want to earn some great commissions, right? You want to earn some great commissions and you want to learn more about how to do that. I have an awesome mid-ticket program that I've partnered with, and it also teaches you this stuff. It teaches you affiliate marketing. It teaches you how to market better. And if that's something you want to do so that you can make more money in the online space, I want you to check out right beneath this video. There'll be information. Go ahead and put in your best email so that we can connect and so that you can get the information sent to you. And then if you have any questions, reach out. So that's it. Smash subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.